So another tip for a vacation rental, wherever you think about getting your vacation rental, make sure that it's no more than 30 minutes away from you if this is your first vacation rental. Because I can't tell you how many times I have had to meet people to let them in, contractors, especially if you're doing a flip on a house and you have to be on the site. Stay on top of the contractors. You don't want a rental that is going to be an hour away, hour and a half away, and even if the traffic is good, it's a great place to vacation. If you don't have easy access to it, is when you're doing the renovations and all of that, you have to be on site almost practically every day. You have to be receiving materials. And you also want to make sure that it is in a place where you feel safe. And you want to make sure that it's in a place that you enjoy to be, because I'll tell you, I love being, at my vacation rental. My friends and family come down to the vacation rental. We hang out here. We walk around town. I know my neighbors. I love my neighbors. So it has just really it is truly my second home. It's not just some place that I'm saying, hey, this is a house that I'm going to rent out. And you find yourself doing things you said you would never do. So you want to make sure that it is in a location where you feel safe, in a location where you were happy to be, where you don't mind coming down, where every time you come down, it's more of a joy than a chore. And you want to make sure, because even too, if there's an emergency, if I had to ask someone else to come, you don't want to have to ask someone else, and no one else is going to want to drive far out to assist you in whatever needs to be done. So there you go.